I had near vision surgery at Eye Associates in Vineland. Before the procedure, I was constantly dependent on reading glasses. So now I'm able to get through a whole day without reading glasses, which is wonderful. If you're like me, then this near vision surgery is exactly what you need, and it will change your life.
Eye Associates can free you from reading glasses with our new near vision restoration procedures. Call today for your free near vision consultation at 1-800-922-1766.